2009 Nissan Altima. If you see, here is the light key blinking and the red security mode is blinking. So the car does not do anything, doesn't show anything. The key is in the pop holder here, still doesn't show anything. So the problem is this is the steering lock for underneath here. I'll show you where it is here. All right, so you have to take this part out. There's a white connection here, okay, and then press this in. There's a lever here, comes out and on. So now I pushed it in and I just did something to hold it down there, and then put it back here, and then we'll start. So the problem with this is there is no actual screw or anything. I had to cut the screws like this and then open it, and the screws are on the side here. There's a hole for the screw. So I cut it with my angle grinder, then I opened it with the screwdriver. You put that on. I pause for a second. See, now I connected. The yellow light went off. Boom, start, no problem. Thank you.